Click Menu icon. Click Calibration, and then click Calibrator Calibration. Prepare a calibrator. Enter the basic information about the calibrator, lot number, validity date and mode. Fill in reference value according to the target value sheet. Mix calibrator upside down 10 times. Open calibrator. Place it under the sampling needle. Click the Open Mode Aspiration key. When the needle reappears, prepare for the next test. Don't forget to mix calibrator. Test again until all tests are completed. The new calibration coefficients are automatically calculated. Click on the sample analysis. There will be a pop-up window to ask whether to save the new calibration coefficients. Click on the OK